FG withdraws treason charge against Sowore and Olawale. Welcome. The federal government has withdrawn the charge it filed against right activist Omoyele Sowore and Adebayo Olawale, also known as Mandate. The withdrawal of a charge followed the notice of discontinuance filed at the Federal High Court, Abuja, where Sowore and his co-defendants are being prosecuted. The notice of discontinuance dated February 15, 2023 was signed by the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Prince Lateef Fagbemi-San. By virtue of the power conferred on me under Section 1741C of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, Section 107 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, and all other powers enabling me in that behalf, I, Lateef Fagbemi-San, the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, tend to discontinue charge number FHC ABJ CR 235-2019 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Omoyele Sowore and Adebayo Olawale, also known as Mandate. Meanwhile, an Abuja-based legal practitioner, Malumi Olajengbesi ESQ, has commended the decision of the AGF to continue the trial of Omoyele Sowore in court, where he was charged by the Government Republic of Nigeria for alleging staging a revolution. Olajengbesi said the decision reflects a commitment to upholding the principle of justice and fairness within the country's legal system. By discontinuing the trial, the Attorney General has demonstrated a willingness to review cases objectively and prioritize the protection of citizens' rights. In a statement on Thursday, Olajengbesi said the action Prince Fagbemi has reinforced the importance of safeguarding freedom of expression and ensuring that individuals are not unduly persecuted for exercising their rights. I applaud the Attorney General for his discernment and for taking proactive steps to promote a legal environment that respects fundamental human rights. This decision set a positive precedent for the administration of justice in Nigeria and reaffirms the government's dedication to upholding the rule of law. As advocate for justice and equality, I stand in support of such principled action and urge continued adherence to the principle of fairness and accountability within our legal system, Olajengbesi stated. So yes, if for those who do not understand or know what is going on, let me say it as it is. Sowore was actually Sowore using eyes in head. He said the back of his head though, when Bubu was in power. A lot of things were done to Sowore. A whole lot. So now it is said now that most of the charge they have against him, you can't be say waiting, they don't forgive the charge. It has been withdrawn. So at least Sowore is no longer working like he used to work. He can now work very, very freely. He can work very freely. That is the partiality we're talking about. You withdraw the charges against Sowore, a Yoruba man, and tell us that you cannot interfere in judicial process in the case of Nnamdi Kanu. Well, let me say this. I was going to even say this later. I was going to talk about this one that they have, withdraw Sowore's case. What will not happen to the case of Nnamdi Kanu, who has actually been in prison for a very long time, even before this particular what's it called? Even before this particular what's it called? Before Sowore. Know that they withdraw the charges so that he will not stage a protest because they know that another protest is looming. Nnamdi Kanu will soon be freed also. All the Fulani's atrocities against Nigerians will be nullified gradually. Okay. They must then withdraw unconditionally and all charges against Kanu and apologize to him. Okay. Where is that half-baked lawyer called San? That quota system that bears the name of Abubakar Malami. He should cover his face in shame wherever he is the new AGF. Wherever he is the new AGF says the case don't want it. In other words, you were using the government money to pursue Fulani agendas. Is that one a lawyer? You reject treason charge against Sowore. What of Nnamdi Kanu? I know that is what we are going to be hearing everywhere. I assume Nnamdi Kanu will soon be released too, as charges against him seem more political than judicial. In the Generator Republic, they have different laws for their citizens based on ethnicity. Sowore staged the revolution, he is pardoned, but Nnamdi Kanu demanded for referendum and he is in DSS dungeon. Well, I understand how this socially feels, but it just feels some kind of way, sure. There are two different things. Ohaneze caused Nnamdi Kanu issue because at the beginning they were against Kanu rather than support their own. Really? You know, be like Malami will be politician. Kudos to our Minister of Justice. Congratulations to them. Sowore, go home and say no more. The federal government, what about Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, the prisoner of conscience? God is watching. Oh. A step in the right direction. In addition to this, government should unconditionally release Kanu to begin healing this country. Well, it's a gradual process. Okay, everywhere just wasting time fooling around with power show, primitive accumulation stuff. Do the same with Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign everywhere. Alright. Do the same with Nnamdi Kanu for peace to reign everywhere. Why they hold Nnamdi Kanu for same reason what a country? The two Yorubas have been freed of the charges while Kanu is still in detention. Even Sunday Igboho is walking free. There is God. This is the reason for Sowore long silence at the face of monumental disaster called Tinubu regime, though he deserves freedom, but let it not be ethnic affairs. They're already tired, confused, and about what to do next. So naive, always looking for one way to silence certain public figures who's vocal about the oppression by the government. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Let Nnamdi Kanu be released too because they committed same crime against the nation. Yes. Since Tinubu assumed office, have you heard him speak against him? He has been silenced. So also Nnamdi Kanu will be set free, my honorable minister. Alright. Until the Easterners know where rain wet dream and sun dry them, they remain a bystander in the One Nigeria contest. Jagaban have been there, done there, and playing there as well. What exactly are you driving at? Nigerians are so quick to label treason against anyone who dare speak up against them. Reply to Abdul Mumin, I really pity Nnamdi Kanu that is still in prison. Till now, it was his people that fought his detention by the way of arrogancy with the federal government. Army general can send to prison, notable politicians can jailed. Zarubiwa and Co can be easily wiped off on earth. Barrister G followed him. He also spent most of his life in prison. And yes, what did not vanish? Who is Kanu? Which his people did not come. Okay, which his people did not come and cool temper, be looking for the good face of the FGN, Bola Ige, Soleas Adedeji. Western investigation continue. FGN is just like naked electric cable, but recurrent flowing and person so silly to touch it. No remedy. The person go join his or her grandfather wey dey heaven. If our father Chief Obafemi Awolowo let people like us have education, can be jailed one way or the other. Please, who is Kanu? Alright, on this note, we've come to the end of the news. Thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.